It's Battlebox time, mission 61, and I got to tell you, I think this one is rocking the house. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So the folks at Battlebox were kind enough to send me their Mission 61 box, and I got to say, I am pretty excited to show you what is in this one. And we're going to do that right after this word from one of our sponsors. This video is sponsored by the folks at Surviveware. Surviveware makes the best, most organized first aid kits I've ever seen. From their small personal size to their larger first aid kit that's perfect for families and groups. They even have a survival first aid kit with added survival gear, just in case. And they recently came out with what I think is the world's first IPX7 waterproof soft first aid kit. You can save 10% on your Surviveware kit by using the coupon code PURPOSE10 at checkout. Okay, we're back. So without any more rambling, let's get down to the old stump top, get to doing some of that Battlebox stuff. Okay, let's get right into it. If you're not familiar with Battlebox, by the way, it is a subscription box with 4 different subscription levels, and each level you pay a little more money and you get a little more stuff. Their goal is to provide more value than you pay. So here's the card that comes in every single box and tells you what's in each level and assign value to it. And then on the back, there's like just a lot of details to the thought process that went into this month's box. And by the way, I make these videos so you can kind of get an idea of whether or not it's something you think you might want to explore further. If you do, you can save 10% by using the coupon code SURVIVALONPURPOSE at checkout. So anyway, let's get going with this. So the first subscription level is the basic level, and the first item this month in the basic level is a pair of these Calcutta Bimini polarized sunglasses, which are really cool sunglasses. If I didn't wear regular glasses, I'd be wearing these. And sometimes if I'm out on the water or whatever, I'll just take my regular glasses off and wear these. These are $25.99 retail. Along with that, the next item is a Calcutta wire eyeglass retainer, and it's got the little things you put them on the earpieces, and then it's got a piece of wire here that's not going to let it fly away and lose your glasses. So these are $7.99 retail. Next item is something I'm really excited about, and I think it is a perfect timing for this item. It's Tech New outdoor skin cleaner that removes poison oak and poison ivy oils, and this is rock and roll good stuff for what I've heard. I've heard a lot of good stuff about this, and it also removes skunk odor and sap and all kinds of stuff, so that's pretty cool. That's a $9.99 value. And then finally, the last item in the basic box is this weatherproof survival kit storage box, and it's in this nice little plastic bag. But you open this thing up, and it's just a little weatherproof box. It's got all kinds of little compartments in there, and it's got a rubberized seal here. They're calling this a survival kit box, and I suppose you can these little dividers come out, so you've got little spaces there. Honestly, I think this would be probably, those are all little spaces individually there. So they're calling it a survival kit. I think it might make a better fishing kit. So there's that. That's a $11.49 value. So that brings the total stated value for the basic level this month to $55.46. The next level is the advanced level. At the advanced level, you get everything in the basic plus some more stuff. This month, the more stuff is this really cool Lamson Ulu knife, and it's got this kind of, I guess it's sprayed on rubberized coating to protect the blade. So I'm not going to take it off of there because I don't want to cut myself, but just a nice traditional Ulu knife that you can use for cutting up food or cutting up all kinds of stuff. Traditionally primarily used for food prep. And it's made in the USA, which is also cool. So the retail on this one is $31.99, which brings the total value for the advanced level box this month to $87.45. Next level is the pro level. At the pro level, you get everything in the previous levels plus some more stuff. And again, this month, the more stuff is the breadcrumb Bluetooth marker beacon. And this is a Bluetooth marker beacon that allows you to mark your location or mark your gear. You put this there, it'll work for your Bluetooth on your phone up to 100 yards. It has ultra bright LEDs, which help you see it. It's got a sound chip in it, which will beep, and its Bluetooth enabled app allows you to track your locations on your smartphone. And this is a $59.99 value. They also give you a 50% off coupon to get another one at half off. That brings the total value for the pro level kit this month to $147.44. Then finally, the top level box is the Pro Plus or Knife of the Month box. And it's a Pro Plus box. You get everything in the other levels, plus every month you get a knife or some kind of blade. And this is why I am so stinking excited about this box. First of all, let me just give you a little tease. There's a Spyderco knife cleaning and maintenance mat EDC tray. This has got a $20 value. And then, do you recognize that little box right there? Oh man, I like me some Spyderco. There's a Spyderco Persistence full flat grind black G10 scale knife. That's pretty stinking cool. Has a completely ambidextrous, reversible tip up, tip down pocket carry, and it's a really nice Spyderco knife. And the value on that one is 68 bucks. So total that brings the value for the advanced kit this month to $235.44. Na 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 na. Okay, well, that was Battlbox Mission 61. As I've tried to do on the last few of these reviews, I'm going to pick out a couple of items I really like out of the box. And I got to say, in this one, I'm spreading from the bottom to the top. On the basic level, I like the sunglasses, but I'm not really don't really wear sunglasses that much. But I really like this Technu Poison Ivy cleaner. It is, I've heard a lot of good stuff about this, and it's that time of year, so that's really good. And you know, I like the Spyderco knife. Spyderco has become a very favorite brand of mine, so pretty cool there. So anyway, that's the Battlbox Mission 61, and hopefully this has been helpful. Like I said, I make these videos so you can kind of go back and watch the library and kind of get an overall view of what you can expect from these boxes, because they are kind of a surprise every month. And once again, if you're interested in exploring Battlbox further, use the coupon code SURVTEN, SERV10, and you can save 10%. Also, real quick, in addition to the subscription boxes, you can also just buy gear through Battlbox. Some of the gear that's been in the boxes, they've got some preparedness kits, and they've even got like this really high-end black box thing going. I mean, we've got night vision stuff in there, and Benchmade knives, and just all kinds of really high-end stuff in there too. So if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, you might want to check that out too. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Once again, thanks to the folks at Battlbox for sending me these boxes every month so I can show them to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a new video every Friday and Saturday, sometimes random videos throughout the week. If you want to make sure you don't miss a single one, I invite you to subscribe to my weekly email newsletter at survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe. I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.